sure am glad you are here. So what we're going to be working on today is building a fire inside your house when you don't have a fireplace. You're going to love this, all right? So, I know consider this our fall special spectacular. All right, now I'm going to show you how to do something. Now I'm telling you, around here at Uncle Coot's house, we love fall. It starts getting cool outside, and the leaves start dying and falling off and looking pretty and all that. And we just love to build a bonfire. And whenever you do a bonfire, you gotta roast some hot dogs and have hot dogs out there. And then another thing we like to do is have s'mores. But every now and then, we like to have s'mores on the inside. And if you don't got a fireplace, how in the world can you do a fire inside? And I've got it all figured out for you, so I'm going to show you how. You see, the last time I built a fire on the table, it made my camera person kind of mad, so I had to figure out how to do it a little different. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how you can do s'mores inside. All right, so let's take a look at some of the things we got right here. So what I got here is what's called safe heat. Now don't believe a word that says. It ain't safe. Believe me, I got 2 blisters right there. All right, that's still burning you if you're not careful. But you can get this at Sam's Club or some of them places, and what it is it goes under them there fancy heating things that you put food in when you have this big fancy banquets at weddings and things like that. I think they call them chubby dishes or shoving dishes. No, you know them fancy things that stand up on racks like that. I don't know what they call them, but this goes under there to keep them warm. Get you some of these. I'm going to show you. It's really cool. What you can do is we're going to fix it up fancy, like it could be the centerpiece of your table or something. And you could put one down in this kind of container, and you can use any kind of containers. You can go to them at their fancy stores where you get all this crap stuff, and buy you some fancy. This would be one could go in here, one could go in here. You might could put a couple in here, make your centerpiece up. But I tell you what we're gonna do today. We're gonna set this over here, get this out of the way, and we're gonna make us one up right here. This little box we found. I found this box at one of them fancy decorator store places, and so we're going to show you how to do this. Now what you want to try to do is you want to try to get these cans of this here stuff up just even like that right there. You don't want them sticking up like that, because you don't want them up like that, because look there, that label's ugly. You don't want ugly. All right, you want it to be pretty. So we're just going to recess them down in here, but it's too deep. So we got to fill it up with something. So here's what we're going to do. We got some of these here pea gravel. I don't know why they call them that. I guess because it's the size of a pea. All right, that's just, no, don't you be thinking, don't you get me started. All right, now. So these are pea gravel. You can get these at all your home improvement places, and I don't know, maybe the Walmarts have them too. I don't know. You can go check and see. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some of this in here just till. I'm going to get this out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. We got to have some more. We're going to do it just until that can get, that's all right, get it close. All right, now we're going to do all 3 of them that way. We're going to put some more in here. How much is that? That's about 1.5 cups. We're not using no bacon grease in here though. Don't put no bacon grease in this. Bacon grease won't make us happy. Okay, it just won't. Don't ask me how I know. But it won't. So we're gonna put that one in there. Hit some more. Here we go. Woo! Yeah. Now your folks are gonna love this, all right? Especially you little folks. But you gotta help them with it because you don't want them to get burnt and hurt or nothing. We're just gonna even this out so that sets up just like that. And we're gonna set in there like that. That's gonna set in there like that. And we'll take 2 rocks out. That was 1.5 cups plus 2 rocks, and I don't want them 2 rocks. Gotta take a little out. Now, as you can see, they right down in there, right even like. See? Yeah, boy. Now we're gonna finish it off. The way we finish it off is we put them rocks all down the sides. It's all right if you get it on the table like that. Don't you worry nothing about it. Yeah, boy. Just dump this stuff over there. Yeah. And that's going to lock them in there. real nice and good for you. You just keep going till you get it all in there. And then you can just kind of squish it around, get all them places all filled up, and get these extra stuff right here all in there. See that? Fill them all up. And if you sink them down pretty good, if you sink them down real good, you can almost make them cans get plumb, almost like they are invisible. Straighten this out right here. There we go. Now, yeah, we can do a little better with that, but you know, we're doing the show here. You make it as pretty as you want to. You can shove them down a little bit or whatever. All right, so we got them on there. So I'm telling you what, there's your indoor fireplace right there. I'm telling you what, that's going to work really, really good. All right, y'all, now we got this all figured out and fancy like we want it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to light these things up. What you do is you take each of your lids off, because it's hard to light. It's hard to light them with the lids on. All right, now we got the lids all off here. We're going to light them up. Use this here lighting stick. Yeah, boys. Now it takes them a few minutes to get good and hot, you know, but they're getting warm on us now. Bam! You gotta be careful now. These flames are blue. All right, it's hard to see them sometimes. This works kind of good if your lights are down a little bit low, but this sure makes a nice little centerpiece. So then what you do is you go ahead and get ready to start making your s'mores, and you can have your little tray all fixed up pretty like this with your graham crackers and your marshmallows. You like the marshmallows and your Hershey chocolate bars. All right, you have to open this chocolate up, and it works really nice roasting your marshmallows. And 3 people can roast 3 marshmallows right here. We'll get us one of them like that, and we'll set this over here. And we'll get us a marshmallow. Get us one of these here skewers. One of these skewer sticks. You didn't think I know fancy French words like that, did you? All right, so we got this right here, and then you just take and you just roast this thing up. It works really good. Now, I don't think you've really done a s'mores until you set that marshmallow on fire. All right, you know how I cook around here? I cook everything on high heat. Look at it smoking. Yeah, boy, you cooking now. Look at that. Woo! Watch out! Woo-hoo! Man, that's a good one right there. We're going to give him a little more. We're going to give him a little more on this side. Watch this. Woo! There's an art to this. It has to be black all over. There we go. Then what you do is you take and put it, and be careful it don't fall off on you. All right? Put this right in there. Oh, look at that. Get out of there. Yeah, boys. Put that right there. Woo! Cut. Look at that. Oh, me. That's a good s'more right there. It is. Should we try it? What you think? I think I will. I think I'll try and see how this is. Oh, my. I'm telling you, that's about as good as if you'd have fixed it outside. It sure is. It is sure enough good. Well, I'll tell you what, you go buy you some of them things and get this stuff off of me. I love it. It's so good. You go buy you some of these things, some of that stuff, and a couple of them containers, and you make you one of these, and you can have s'mores even when it's raining, all right? Now see here, y'all, if you get it all put together like this, you got 2 of them things, 6 people can stand here and do their roasting of their marshmallows. They can stand on this side or that side of the table. And if you want to, you can use any kind of tub or anything and get that set up for you. And this is real safe in the house, but you do have to warn your children to be careful that fire's still hot, all right? Well, I'm telling you, this is a real smart idea for you right here if you want to do s'mores in the house, and you can have 6 people making s'mores, and they're going to absolutely love it. Well, I appreciate you coming by. I want you to do something for me. Click that like and subscribe button and tell all your friends to watch Cooking with Coot. I'll teach them how to make their food happy. This is our October. No, I don't want to do that.
But every now and then,
we'll get them going here. Maybe. You know what?
Huh? What?
Let that clock finish.
Oh, the clock was fine.
It bothers me. Woo! Watch out! Woo-hoo!
Like maybe do above it, like a cool shot above, so you just see hands and sticks. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all have fun looking at this, and I hope you helped.